Alright, delicious Mexican street tacos. It's really easy too. First, start with about a pound, pound and a half of sirloin. You can use ribeye, you can use skirt steak, doesn't matter. Next, go ahead and take that steak and you want to just cut it against the grain. Just make like chunks that are going to be edible in a taco. So you slice it thin, and then what you're going to want to do after that is you're going to want to cut it in smaller bite-sized pieces. Because remember, this is for a taco, street taco. You don't want it too big. So once you got it about to that size, go ahead and take any chunks that you don't want in there, throw them out, or leave them in. I like to leave them in. I just like the little extra Mexican street taco gristle that sometimes are in some of these tacos. But you can take them out if you'd like. Alright, so once you've got all your meat together, however you like it, the next thing you want to go ahead and do is in a bowl, go ahead and add some olive oil. Just I'd say maybe about a third of a cup there. Once you've got that added, you want to go ahead and put some ground pepper in there, about half a teaspoon of fresh ground pepper. Once you've got that in there, about 1 teaspoon of salt. And then once you've got that teaspoon of salt in there, go ahead and add half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, and a dash of cayenne pepper. What you're going to do is get that all mixed together. If you need to add a little more olive oil to get it to a consistency like this, go ahead, it's fine. And I like to squeeze half an orange in there. That orange adds that nice little bite, a little bit of acidity to it and sweetness. It's great. Get that all mixed together nicely. Once you've got that put together, go ahead and add your meat. Get your meat all nicely mixed together. I do it with my hand because it gets it all in there. You can do it with a spoon if you'd like, but I think the hand does it better. Just make sure you wash up good. And this is how it looks. Once that's all done, go ahead and just get it covered with foil or get it covered with saran wrap. Put it in the fridge for about 3 hours. Let everything marinate together. Get a hot pan, and in the meantime, get your tortillas. Get some good quality tortillas. Like go to a local Mexican market and buy them there. They're always going to make all the difference in the world. If you get them from the supermarket, they're not going to taste as good. These are from my local Mexican market. What I do is I put them on the just a hot pan. Yeah, maybe 5-10 seconds each side just to get them pliable. You can do it in the microwave as well, but the pan works better for me. Once that's done, I got all my tortillas pliable, and the meat has been in the fridge for a few hours. This is what it'll look like. You want to go ahead and just mix it all together once again, because some of the stuff will sink to the bottom. Get that meat nicely covered, and there you go. Look at that. Let's get it cooking. Get some oil in your hot pan there. Pan's about preheated on a medium, and there you go. Put in your meat in sections. Don't put it all in at once because you want it to get a nice sear. So you're basically going to sear it like you would sear a steak, but quickly. Get a nice little char on it. Get it moved around. I'd say have it in here for a few minutes, maybe 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Whenever it's done cooking, it really just depends on the temperature of your pan. It's going to smell great. And then go ahead and, well, here's a close-up of what it looks like when it's about done. It's about done here. It's got a nice little sear on it in color. Go ahead and get that put aside. And get your next batch done. Get that all nicely cooked together. And once that's done, just put that all your meat aside here. And then go ahead and lay your tortillas down. Go ahead and add the meat you like. And then once you've added your meat here, the next thing you want to go ahead and do is go ahead and just add some fresh onion. I like red onion because red onion is just, it's got a lot more flavor to it for something like this. Add your chopped cilantro, and ta-da! There you go. Your Mexican street tacos. Put some lime on the side, squeeze that on, and there you go. Delicious, delicious, and easy to make. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.